The couples who succeed rebuild the relationship, not just resume it. Successful reunions happen when the original issue was addressed head on. Both people took responsibility, no villains, no victims. And change showed up in behavior, not speeches. Love alone doesn't heal relationships, growth does. Accountability does. Consistency does. If the answer to that last one is no, don't go back. Hope is beautiful, but it is not a strategy. It might be choosing yourself, choosing peace, choosing growth, choosing better. And maybe, just maybe, choosing a future that doesn't require you to unlearn a painful past. So tell me, fam, what would actually have to be different for you to consider giving your ex another chance?